brothers. Somebody tell them I won't lose. Low soul, the young OG. Somebody tell them I won't lose.
Invisible, push through the fog. I had to find my way. A glow of light, a spark of hope. If you imagine it, you'll find you're reaching for things to follow your dreams, and nothing will stand in your way. You're not far, you're close, so stand up for yourself. It's written in the sky. Just spread your wings, reach for your dreams. There's no mountain that's hard to move. Take a chance and try. You would never know. You're a hero. You can fly. You can fly. You're a hero. You can fly. Unthinkable, best is to come. The light is shining so bright now. No looking back, keep pressing on. 'Cause your wings are made to fly. You're reaching for things to follow your dreams, and nothing will stand in your way. You're not far, you're close, so stand up for yourself. It's written in the sky. Just spread your wings, reach for your dreams. There's no mountain that's hard to move. Take a chance and try. You will never know. You're a hero. You can fly. You can You're a hero, you can fly. I don't plan on breaking down. I don't plan on falling down. I won't lose. I won't lose. Oh no, no, no.
Yeah, let's go, Jess. You should've never doubted yourself. Matter of fact, you should be proud of yourself, 'cause you had to find a way, go about it yourself. Nobody gave you direction, had to route it yourself. And you never got lost, losing not an option. No time for L's, no time to fail. Winning like Steph Curry and them, we warriors. Haters wanna see me in a crown, Victoria, but I'm in the bins. AC on 70, won't lose my cool, gotta move cleverly. Chess not checkers, playing it with strategy. Me and Jessica, that's a win automatically.